Hey Saber fans, I'm going to show you how to work your new MW3-BMF edition saber. So this is the windu hilt, and when you first get it, this is for the installed one. If you unscrew this back end, you will see the chassis. Here is the on-off switch right up here. Now you can turn it on.
I am going to end this once and for all.
This battery does come out and you can charge it. Make sure when you put it back in, the plus sign goes up underneath where it shows a little plus area. You don't want to put your battery in backwards, and make sure you charge this battery overnight. It's very important.
In the name of the Galactic Senate of the Republic, you're under arrest, Chancellor.
So this is your button that operates it. These two buttons don't do anything. What you do is line this up here, goes in as far as it'll go. Then you can carefully put the bottom on, and the way to turn it off is you hold the button down, or if you turn it on, you can twist it to turn it off. So this little piece here is your BMF button. If you don't know what BMF stands for, then you're not a Samuel L. Jackson fan, but if you do know what it is, the way these go on, they have some tape on the back. This piece is only held on by a slight magnet and double-sided tape, so you can with enough force you can pull this off, and then you can stick and put this one on and place it if you want. This is your blade plug. This part screws off here, and you can put that on. Inside is inside right here, I guess you can see it, is your blade retention screw. Make sure when you put the blade in that you tighten the screw to hold it in. Also, if you go to put the blade in and you can't get it all the way down, make sure this is not in this little chassis area here, because it will it'll keep the blade from going in. So what I do is just make sure it has clear passage. These blades also are a little bit on the tight side, so when you push this down inside, the way to test it, if you push the top part of the button, it changes fonts.
If you're not with me, then you're my enemy. I hate them. Only a Sith.
It is obvious that this conflict by our knowledge.
Excellent.
Don't insult me.
I can bring you in warm, or I can bring you in cold.
So that's pretty much all you need to know. This is your battery charger. Make sure you charge it overnight. That's important. I can't think of anything else other than if you go to push the chassis in and the buttons seem to be kind of stiff, like they're not working, loosen this up here a bit. You can actually make this end pommel a little too tight, so just back it out a little bit and then the buttons should work just fine. If you have any questions, give us a shout.